In today's digital age, the potential to earn a substantial income from the comfort of your home has never been more accessible. In this video, we will explore an innovative approach to generating $1,350 a day using two powerful tools, ChatGPT and Google Drive. We'll break down the strategies and techniques that can help you tap into this lucrative opportunity. Making the most of cutting-edge technology. Throughout this engaging and informative session, you'll discover how to leverage artificial intelligence and cloud storage to streamline your workflow and maximize your earnings. Whether you're a seasoned entrepreneur or just starting out, the insights shared here will empower you to harness these tools effectively. Get ready to dive into practical tips and real-life examples that will inspire you to take action. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear roadmap to start your journey toward financial freedom, all while utilizing the incredible capabilities of ChatGPT and Google Drive. Let's get started. Step 1. Understand the potential of ChatGPT. ChatGPT is an advanced language model developed by OpenAI, designed to understand and generate human-like text. Its capabilities extend far beyond simple conversation. It can assist in content creation, brainstorming ideas, and even automating repetitive tasks. By harnessing the power of AI, you can streamline your workflow and enhance productivity, making it an invaluable tool for anyone looking to generate income online. One of the standout features of ChatGPT is its ability to produce high-quality written content quickly. Whether you need blog posts, social media updates, or marketing copy, this AI can help you create engaging material in a fraction of the time it would take manually. Additionally, it can assist in research, providing insights and information that can elevate your projects. Understanding how to effectively use AI tools like ChatGPT is crucial for income generation in today's tech-driven landscape. By leveraging these capabilities, you can unlock new opportunities and stay ahead of the competition, paving the way for financial success. Step 2. Set up your Google Drive account. Setting up a Google Drive account is a straightforward process that opens the door to efficient file management and collaboration. If you don't already have an account, simply visit the Google Drive website and click on the Go to Google Drive button. You'll be prompted to sign in with your Google account or create a new one. Once you're logged in, you can start utilizing the powerful features of Google Drive. To maximize your productivity, it's essential to organize your files and folders effectively. Create a clear folder structure that reflects your projects or categories, making it easy to locate documents when needed. Use descriptive names for your files to enhance searchability, ensuring you can find what you need quickly. One of the significant benefits of Google Drive is its cloud storage capability, allowing you to access your files from any device with an internet connection. This feature also facilitates seamless collaboration with others, enabling real-time editing and sharing, which can significantly enhance your workflow and productivity. Step 3. Identify profitable niches for content creation. And finding the right niche is crucial for successful content creation and monetization. Start by researching trending topics that resonate with audiences and have the potential to generate income. Utilize tools like Google Trends, social media platforms, and keyword research tools to identify what people are currently interested in. This will help you pinpoint areas where demand is high. Once you have a list of potential niches, leverage ChatGPT to generate ideas and outlines for your content. Simply input your chosen topic, and let the AI provide you with engaging content suggestions, headlines, and even detailed outlines. This can save you time and spark creativity, allowing you to focus on producing high-quality material. While exploring profitable niches, it's essential to align your choices with your interests and expertise. Creating content around subjects you are passionate about not only makes the process enjoyable but also enhances your credibility. By combining trending topics with your unique insights, you can carve out a niche that stands out and attracts a dedicated audience. Step 4. Create valuable content using ChatGPT. Creating valuable content is essential for engaging your audience and driving traffic. ChatGPT can be a powerful ally in this process. To start, simply input your topic or idea into ChatGPT, and it will generate articles or scripts tailored to your needs. You can ask for specific formats, such as blog posts, social media updates, or video scripts, making it a versatile tool for various content types. While ChatGPT provides a solid foundation, it's crucial to emphasize the importance of quality and originality. Ensure that the content resonates with your audience by adding your unique voice and perspective. This not only enhances authenticity but also helps in building trust with your viewers. After generating content, take the time to edit and refine it. Review the text for clarity, coherence, and flow. You can also enhance the content by adding personal anecdotes, statistics, or visuals. This extra effort will elevate the quality of your work, making it more engaging and valuable to your audience, ultimately driving better results. Step 5. Monetize your content effectively. Monetizing your content is a crucial step in turning your passion into profit. There are several effective strategies to consider, including affiliate marketing and advertising. Affiliate marketing allows you to earn commissions by promoting products or services relevant to your audience. By incorporating affiliate links into your content, you can generate income whenever someone makes a purchase through your link. Additionally, placing ads on your website or videos can provide a steady revenue stream as your audience grows. Another powerful way to monetize is by using Google Drive to share and sell digital products, such as ebooks, courses, or exclusive content. You can easily upload your products to Google Drive and share the links with your audience, making transactions seamless and efficient. As you implement these monetization strategies, it's essential to track your earnings and analyze what works best for you. Use analytics tools to monitor performance and adjust your strategies accordingly. This ongoing evaluation will help you optimize your income potential and ensure long-term success in your content creation journey. Step 6. Promote your content and grow your audience. Promoting your content effectively is key to expanding your reach and growing your audience. Start by leveraging social media platforms to share your work. Create engaging posts that highlight your content, using eye-catching visuals and compelling captions. Additionally, implementing SEO strategies can significantly enhance your visibility. Research relevant keywords and incorporate them into your titles, descriptions, and tags to improve your search rankings. Engaging with your audience is equally important. Respond to comments, ask for feedback, and create polls or questions to foster interaction. Building a community around your content not only strengthens viewer loyalty, but also encourages word-of-mouth promotion, which can lead to organic growth. Collaboration with other creators can also be a powerful strategy for mutual growth. Partnering with individuals in your niche allows you to tap into their audience while providing fresh perspectives for your own. Whether through guest posts, joint videos, or social media takeovers, these collaborations can introduce your content to new viewers and enhance your credibility in the industry. Conclusion, summary of key points. In this video, we explored how to earn $1,350 a day using ChatGPT and Google Drive, focusing on actionable steps to help you succeed. We began by understanding the potential of ChatGPT, highlighting its capabilities in content creation and automation. Next, we guided you through setting up your Google Drive account for efficient file management. We then identified profitable niches for content creation, emphasizing the importance of aligning your interests with market demand. We demonstrated how to create valuable content using ChatGPT, stressing the need for quality and originality. Following that, we discussed effective monetization strategies, including affiliate marketing and selling digital products through Google Drive. Finally, we covered the importance of promoting your content through social media and SEO, engaging with your audience, and collaborating with other creators for mutual growth. As you embark on this journey, remember these key takeaways. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insights, share this video with others, and explore related content that can further enhance your skills and knowledge. Your success starts now.